Hello everyone, this is Mango from SUNWARD. Glad to have a chance to visit SUNWARD factory today. SUNWARD is a famous factory located in Hunan province. Their main products include rotator drilling rig, excavator, area working platform, skid steer loader, telehandler, and so on. Among these, the most popular machines recently is the excavators. They can provide CE and EPA certificates for excavators from 0.8 to 36.5 tons. And now I would like to show you the most popular model SWE210. Now let's go to find it. The SUNWARD SWE210 is a reliable excavator designed for a wide range of construction works, powered by an efficient engine. The SWE210 delivers strong performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and low emissions, making it suitable for both urban and rural job sites. With a maximum operating weight of around 21 tons, it offers a great balance of power, ideal for medium-sized projects. This machine features advanced hydraulic systems that provide smooth and precise control, allowing operators to handle tough works easily. Its spacious and ergonomic cabin ensures operator comfort and safety, with easy-to-use control and excellent visibility. The machine's reinforced structure and high-quality components ensure durability and long-term reliability, reducing maintenance costs and downtime. Besides, this machine can attach with different attachments, such as buckets, breakers, grapples, and wood harvesters, enabling it to reach all kinds of works. Wherever you use it, this machine stands out for its efficiency, power, and adaptability. If you are interested in any SUNWARD machines, please feel free to contact me.